So guys, what's up, what's going on? Hope we are good. Welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'm going to be sharing a strategy with you guys. I've been dropping videos on candlesticks, on price action, how to trade without any indicators, but a lot of people keep asking me to create videos on indicators, how to as a beginner you always want these indicators at least to get started. So that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. All right, so if you look right here, I have my indicator set up already, and this is how these things work. Very simple and easy. So if you look, we have level 90 and 80. We also have the oversold region, which is level 20 and 10. Okay, once you have these levels, all you need to do is to put in your indicators and look. If you look carefully, this my black lines, that's the RSI right there. So this one is still RSI level 10, 20, 80 and 90. Okay, so if you look, I also have something like ox blood, or I don't know the color right there, is my moving average. Then I have a blue line up here, that's my envelopes, and the envelopes also is the orange line down here. Okay, I'm still going to share the setups with you guys. Okay, that is the settings, but look at how it works. You just want to see the line converge. Okay, you have to see our moving average at level 90, you have to see our envelopes at level 90, both of them there, before a spike should come to take them to that level. So once you see them at that level, then you simply sell on 1 minute time frame. If you want to advance your entry, you can equally look at the higher time frame, maybe 1 hour 30 minutes, to check the trend. Okay, check the trend if you wish to. Okay, but most time, without even checking the trend, you can still be making money with this strategy or with this entry. So you can see both of them converge at this level, and if you made entry here, you are going to be picking about 10 to 20 candles, okay, before a spike or something. Okay, so if you want to like filter out some like the best of trades, then make sure you check the trend and make sure that the price is trending to your direction. Okay, so if I check, let me check out, okay, 300, you can see sometimes this envelope line might not be at that level. So even though if the envelope, which is this blue line, okay, and the orange line, if they are not at that level 10 or level 90, you should not be doing anything. Even if our moving average, which is this line here, even if the moving average is at level 90, you should avoid taking the trade. Always wait for the envelope to be at that level 90, because they will be serving, the envelope will be serving as, like at this point, the envelope is serving as resistance, and here the envelope is serving as support. So you want to make sure that the envelope is at level between level 20 and 10, okay, and also between level 90 and 80. That's what you want to make sure. Then wait for your moving average to come. So you can still use this to catch spikes, okay, but I prefer using it to scalp. Okay, so I could have find an entry to take my trade, but my robot is actually picking a trade. This is the account I'm using for my robot, so I don't want to pick a trade right here. Okay, so let me just share this robot stuff with you guys. Okay, so this robot is going to be launched on 1st of July. So for those who have come, who are in my DM, okay, asking for the robot, so okay, for my trading robot, for those who want to get my trading robot, I think you guys should be ready. 1st of June it will be live for everybody. Probably is going to be, is not going to be there for a long period of time. Once I get the number I want, I'm going to shut down the shut down access, okay, to this trading robot. So just stick around, make sure you refer back to this channel, or I will also share the link where you can get this robot. 1st of June, the link will be public, everything will be public. Okay, so but for now, uh I'm going to be sharing it with few persons already who are in my DM first. Okay, so if you look, let's just check the history. I think we already $22 into profit for the day, so you can see what this robot is actually doing. Okay, so Okay, so that's that for the robot. So let's go back to the settings quickly. We go to these settings. If you look here, I'm only using this window one right here. I'm not using that fractal. Okay, it's for something else. All right, so if you look here, the setup is just simple period 14 for RSI. So you can screenshot this. I don't want to waste time on this video. Then envelopes, you can see the setup, screenshot and set it yourself. It's very simple to do. Then you have the moving average, which is the last thing. Also, you can take a screenshot and set it up yourself. So this is basically how to take how to set it up and how to take it. Just wait for the price to converge at oversold if you are buying, at overbought if you are selling. Like now, this is crash. Okay, if you want to catch spike, this is the point to start making entry, right? But I don't really use it much for spikes. I actually use it to scalp instead of catching spikes. So that's exactly what I do. Let me see if we have any. Okay, you can see now, look at what I'm saying or what I'm talking about. The price is here. Okay, the price is at over bought, which is level 90 and 80. Even the our envelopes is also there, so we are expected to sell. Okay, so what we need to do, which is this is the bonus I'm going to be sharing with you. Okay, bonus tip. Just because you have seen this strategy or have shared this, it looks simple, easy, doesn't mean that you should just blindly enter trades. So you have to also explore higher time frames like 30 minutes time frame or 1 hour time frame, just to see how is the price pushing. So if you look here, you can see that the price is clearly pushing to the upside. So you are not going to be getting those scalping that you are looking for, because this is boom, for God's sake. So if this is boom and you want to scalp, you go to higher time frame and you are seeing a clear uptrending market, spikes up and down, you should avoid this strategy. That's another thing you need to know. So for the fact you have seen a moving average stuff, envelopes, see a lot of indicators and all that, don't just blindly trade. You still need to confirm the trend. You still need to understand the concept of trend. So the price is actually pushing to the upside. That means if you take this trade, you are likely going to be hitting stop loss instead of TP, because of this is a clear uptrending market. But let's say you see this particular this thing, and this, let's say you see it at this zone. Okay, you see the entry at this zone. You can see that this price is clearly trending to the downside. So any point you pick that signal at this zone, you are likely going to hit TP. Okay, you are going to be taking that, comfortably taking 10 to 20 candlesticks without spike, right? Or even though if there will be spike, it will be very little. It's not going to even go to your entry or even hit your stop loss. So you need to also consider the trend while taking any of these strategies online. That's another thing you need to add to your strategy. So that's that for this. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope this is going to be helpful. Okay, so that's how simple this strategy is. Okay, don't forget, 1st July my trading robot will be out for Crash 1000. I developed for Crash 1000 because of the request people keep making. So I have for Crash 1300, also for Boom. Everything will be out for you guys, but I promise you guys it's not going to be lasting. So once the number, I get the number, I don't want to reveal the number here, but once I get the number of persons purchase the robot, I will close access, and that's all. The link will be public on July 1st. Okay, that's the day of launch, so don't miss out on this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys. Enjoy.